Balik visit kami dyan 5. Yung may birthday boy. 1, 2, 3. So dito na tayo sa Camayan Beach Resort Hotel. Yan, outing and my birthday, Silimar. Yeah, last 3 years at galing na rin kami dito. Suraya, may tattoo ka.
Wonder.
What?
Welcome to Camayan! Swimming tayo, swimming. Again.
Dito na kami sa Camayan. 2 hours ang biyahe from Pampanga. So ito na. Swimming ka agad si Shanayo. Shanayo. Yan yung birthday oh. Si Limar. Limar, ilang taong ka na? 10. 10? Oh, yun.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Wish, wish. Yay! Happy birthday!
And ka na, 2 days ka na.
Magpatuloy ka na, Limar.
Happy birthday!
It's your birthday.
Hello Shania, what you are doing?
I'm getting my son to some.
Sun? Oh. You not like to go to swim? Ah. You will not swim?
Wait, what is that?
Well,
There.
we'll make mountain.
Can we make a mountain? And do not put it on my face.
Trip ng mag-ama ko.
Tatabunan na natin si Shania.
Si Shania gusto daw niya cover with sand daw.
Sobrang likot eh. Tatabunan na natin.
Hi Shania, what are you doing? Huh? Oh, what is Papa doing to you? Huh?
Putting sun on my body, I can do that.
Oh, you putting sun on your body? Why?
No.
You like it? Careful sa mata, ha?
Okay. Yan. Half body lang.
Ate, tapos ng kuberan, maliit lang eh. Ako naman. Ano? Papa? Ganyan. Aba, hindi na. Marami-raming sand yung mapupunta sa akin. Not on your eyes, anak. Not on your eyes. How about the ano? How about the... your arms? Eh? Isha, you want this as well? Gusto mo rin? Gusto mo rin, CJ? We're gonna cover you with sand? No?
Look, I like it. So my boy's gonna allow me to lie down.
Look, I like it, sabi niya. Oh, careful anak ha. It might go on your eyes. Oh, that's enough na. It's okay na. Pitpitan mo yung makanya ka, mon me.
Ano?
I-shape mo yung paa niya. Shape mo. O, diba? Kaya tayo pumunta sa beach eh. Nandito kami ngayon sa Camayan Beach Resort. Ayan. Banding ng mag-ama. Stop it, Shania. Not on your face, anak. That's enough na. No, pupunta sa eyes mo.
Dad, you know I can make a rock with sand?
Oh, yung paa niya pa. Ayun na yun?
There's a rock there.
Patingin nga. Aba! Aba! Gusto pala niya dito. O, tara, mag-swimming na tayo. Stand up ka na. Stand up. Stand up. Baka kastad kaya siya dyan.
Stand. Let's go.
Saan niya nalaman yan? Balo na yun.
Let's go.
Papa, ikaw naman. Kubera kita ng ano, buhagin.
Tatakap sa tatakip semento.
Ang semento naman.
Para forever na. Permanent.
Grabe ka naman. Iba na ata yun. O siya na, parang inaantok na yung baby ko. Let's go na, baby ko. Look at ate, oh. They're from Jeddah. Nagbakasyon din sila.
There's a bird.
There's a bird!
There's a bird, there's a plane, there's a...
There's a Let's go swimming na. Let's go swimming.
I'm a mermaid. Actually, I was supposed to bring the easy to fly drone.
Let's swim. Let's go to swim. Ayun na.
Whee! I covered up my water. I'm a seashell.
Ito, enjoy na ang bakasyon kasama ang pamilya.
Miss, swimming na!
Dimar, happy birthday. Yun na. Ayun o, si Ate Sophie yung sa... O, siya na yan naman daw. O, laruin ni ate. O, yung dalawang babies na maliit pa, yung babies na malaki pa. Naya. Ayan. Sila Lola. Lola kasi.
Enjoy lang tayo.
Enjoy din pag may time.
I like swimming.
Enjoy ako dito.
Ginawa ka salbabida, oh.
Oo, kasi taba ako na eh. Swimming tayo. Sarap.
Yeah.
Habol tayo bago magbagyo.
Pantanggalan, no?
Tag-ulan. Tanggal lang is.
Ako ilang beses
Sanay nag-enjoy, oh. Pa?
Oh, yun, oh.
Galing, oh. Feeling niya swimmer siya, oh. Cover your mouth, ha?
Nagigilipi ako. Bye-bye.
Ayun, oh. May bulig. Dalag. Ang daming isdang malinis. This is our second time here, mga kalots. So, last 3 years ago, dito kami rin, yan. Tabi ng mga cottage. Yun, tapos may lifeguard. Bali, sisisid kami ni John Limar. Yung may birthday boy. 1, 2, 3.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
I gotta go to there.
Ayun na, tuturo.
Ano si Baby Carlos mag-swim?
Oh, wow. Swim.
She will and a half. Okay.
Ah,
Closer. Just like this.
just like...
Just like.
Kaya mo yan. Sabi pala naman tayo sa English.
Okay.
Galing! Are you a mermaid? Sanaya, are you a mermaid? Wow!
You're a mermaid.
Ganda dito, oh. Habol tayo sa ano. Pag-init. Pag magtag-ulan. So, May 29, happy birthday, Limay! So, kaya tayo nag-swimming ngayon kasi birthday
Put
lang.
your hands and see
Oh?
both together.
Hello.
Yeah. Where CJ, you know how to swim?
Only pool.
You know how to swim?
Yeah,
How
only
to
pool.
practice how to swim?
No, actually.
Ayun na, ayun na.
Okay na,
Ayun na.
okay na.
Kakawag na, kakawag na.
Ah, sige na.
Oh, stay away daw, stay away. Ilublob ka sa tubig. Bully rito sa nayong eh. Ano na, Papa? Marunong ka ba mag-swimming? Ba't ka nagka-training ang anak mo?
Marunong ako. Sa ano lang, kaso 5 feet ang pinaka-maximum. Yung hindi ako lulubog, syempre.
Tama yan, mag-alaga siya ng kanyang baby. Si baby Shania. At daming nag-swimming dito, oh. Oh, may mga cottages din. Saan? Ano, manghuli ka nga, wala tayong pagkain.
Oh.
Op! Ang galing naman ng baby na yan. Ang galing naman. Oh, careful. Ayan siya, oh. Hindi natatakot sa tubig, eh. Uy, there's a diaper daw. May diaper daw. Nakita niya lumulutang. Oh no, is that your diaper? No, it's not. It's not your diaper. Oh, diaper get out daw. Tara doon tayo, may diaper. Ayan, lalutang, oh. Oh. Katakot sa diaper, eh.
You will draw, siya na yan. What you will draw?
Oh, face daw.
Face.
One.